Hey you guys, what's up? I'm LC. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, then make sure that you subscribe because we love to talk about locks. I also love to make videos about adulting as well as throwing in some random vlogs here and there. So go ahead and join the family. We're nice here. And if you are returning, then welcome back. I've missed you so much. So thanks for coming back onto my channel. Let's just go ahead and get into it. I have missed you guys so much. I know that I have still, been somewhat active on this channel, but I do feel like at least for, the last video, you guys didn't get to really see me because that was more so, that was a voiceover with like pre-recorded footage, so you guys weren't able to really see me and I wasn't able to actually talk to you guys. And then the videos before that was when we were attempting to do Vlogmas, and Christmas just came and gone. I got two videos out for Vlogmas. Yeah, there's been a lot going on in my life, and I'm gonna make a separate vlog just kind of updating you guys on just my life and within like 2021, and I'm just ready for it to be 2022. I'm ready. Anyways, I just want to first start off by saying that thank you for your patience for, this lock update. I know that I haven't had a lock update on here since, girl, when is the last time we chatted up? I don't even know. I have not given you guys like a for real lock update in like 4 months. And you guys know I love doing these lock updates for several reasons. One, I know that you guys just appreciate hearing about what's going on with my journey, especially those of you that have been following me since I first put my locks in. So I want to make sure that I am coming back to you guys and giving you guys updates on what's going on with my hair. I also love just to be able to look back at my videos and see how my hair is progressing. Yeah, just thank you so much for just being patient with me on getting a new update for you guys. So we are 1 year and 9 months locked. I don't know why that sounds so exciting to me because it's not 2 years and it's not like a year and a half, but 1 year and 9 months just feels like, girl, we're about to hit 2 years. We're about to hit 2 years. And I am so excited. If this is your first time on my channel, I started my locks myself back in March of 2020, literally right when the world shut down. Quick couple facts in case this is your first time on my video. I started my locks myself March of 2020. I have 96 locks. I originally had 110. I went down to 96. I started then with 2 strand twists. For the most part, I self-maintained, and yeah, and if you want more information about my locks and the progress of my locks, I'm gonna drop some of my like most popular videos in the description below, so that way you can kind of go through those. And also I have a lock playlist. The lock playlist is where it's at because that's where you're literally going to find all of my lock related content, which is right now majority of the content on my channel, even though we're going to spice it. Been trying to spice it up a little bit and add some new things, but for right now it's a lot of lock content. So check out my lock playlist and then you can really just start from the beginning, from day one that I put my locks in till now. So go ahead and check that out. But yeah, so we are 1 year and 9 months locked, and there have been changes definitely in my hair since the last time we chatted it up. First things first, I did give myself a retwist, I think almost like 2 weeks ago, and it's actually holding up pretty well if you guys can see here. In the front, it always kind of goes quicker, but yeah, you can see we still retwisted. So I haven't really been retwisting my hair like that. That isn't necessarily because like I didn't want to retwist my hair. It's more so because of just what's been going on in my life, which I said I will make a vlog about that. That vlog may be up before this video is up, or it will be up right after this video. So go ahead and check that out if you just want to know like more personally what's going on. But it kind of stopped me from being able to really work on my hair, really to work on anything. And finally things had gotten to a point where they had calmed down a little bit. So I was like, let me just retwist my hair. I just wasn't feeling good as a whole. Like I feel like I just had so much going on, and like the last thing I wanted to do was to fiddle with my hair, and I didn't want to commit and like start trying to retwist my hair when I knew I didn't have the energy to finish. So it just kept getting pushed back and pushed back and push back until finally I retwisted it. Retwisting is holding up well. If you're new to my channel, I don't use any like gels or waxes to retwist my hair. I just use my oil, my Rosy Locks oil, and let's just put a time out there, okay? Because I have referenced my Rosy Locks oil for months, but I've really been talking a little bit more recently, and I have been seeing the messages of people being like, so where can I get the oil? It's not out yet, you guys. Like, I'm trying to take my time. Like, I just want it to be perfect. If you want to be the first one to know when the oil drops, I'm saying before I probably even let YouTube know, then just follow my Rosie Locks page. It's private right now. Just send the request, because eventually I'm going to go in and accept all of your guys' requests. I know that there's some of you guys where your request has been sitting there for a minute, but I haven't fully opened up that page yet. It's at rosie.locks. I'll put it right here. Follow my oil page, submit the request. Once I have everything good to go, I'm going to accept all of those requests, allow you guys to follow the page, and you guys will be the first ones to go ahead and put in your order. So that's the information on that. Okay. Let's talk about my favorite thing. Let's get into my favorite topic. My favorite thing is the length. I love talking about length. And I will try to insert like some older clips of my hair so that you guys can compare how much is grown now compared to where it was before. Part my hair down the middle. Well, my front has actually gotten pretty long. Okay, front's looking long. Let's go ahead and look at the side. The long ones. You guys see this? You guys, this is why this is my favorite part, because I get so hyped. I get so hyped. Ooh. Okay, let's look at the other side.
Baby, I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even.
Thickness, it's not significantly different, but it's definitely still getting thicker. I'll show you guys the ends. The ends are still pretty much the same. Focus. Here, see? Yeah, the ends are not necessarily locking. I wanted to touch on just a couple of the lock issues I was having in the past and kind of let you guys know where we're at with all of that and what the progress is. So first thing I want to update you guys on is my scalp, because you guys know I've been kind of dealing with a scalp condition, which I've had off and on for my whole life. I've always had eczema my whole life. I'm using the, I'll try to insert a picture of it. It's like a anti-dandruff, it's medicated, but it's over-the-counter shampoo. I've been using that for about like 5 weeks or so. I have definitely seen a significant change. And you guys can just look at my scalp. Like, I haven't, let me see if I can zoom in. I haven't washed my hair in almost 2 weeks, and my scalp is nowhere near looking like what it was looking like. Every 4 washes is typically when I will deep condition. So that's been working for me. As far as oiling my scalp, because you guys know it's best if you do have a scalp condition that you don't really apply a whole lot of oils to your scalp. So I mainly use the Rosie Lock oils on the shaft of my hair. I don't oil my scalp that much just because I am trying to work through what's going on with the dandruff. So I've only been applying it to my actual hair, which is doing great. I feel like my locks look good and healthy. You guys tell me, but I feel like they look good. Just like my overall emotions about my hair. I've recently been having moments where I'm looking back at my hair being straight, which I don't know why I'm doing that, but I'm just like looking back at like old photos of like my hair being blown out or straightened. I'll just be like, oh, and like, oh, that was so cute. Like, and it was really cute. I was like playing around with my girlfriend, telling her like, yeah, I'm gonna comb them out, and she was getting pissed. She was getting upset. She was like, you know, you better not comb your locks out. I was like, all right, I'm not even combing them out. I'm not combing them out. I'm not combing them out. Okay, you guys, I just like to be transparent, just to say that you kind of have fluctuating emotions, I think, when you are like locked into one hair journey. Like, no matter what my hair was, if my hair was shaved off, I would be like, oh, I miss my fro. If my hair was in a fro, oh, I miss when I had the short, you know, relaxer. Oh, I miss when I had braids. Oh, I miss when I had locks. So no matter what form, whenever you're kind of locked into like one style, you can't help but to reminisce about other styles. So I think that that's kind of normal, and I don't say all that to freak you guys out. I'm not about to pop up here with my hair shaved, and I'm not about to pop up here with my locks combed out anytime soon. Let me add that, anytime soon. Anytime soon. So my favorite part of the lock update videos, favorite part, it is time for the close-up. It's time for you to get all up in my scalp. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in. We're gonna turn up the music a little bit and we're just going to enjoy this beautiful close-up. And I'm actually going to do the closeout now. Before we get into our favorite part, I just wanna thank you guys again so much for watching. Thank you for supporting. I love all of you. I'm trying so hard to stay consistent with what we have going on this channel because I appreciate y'all and I wanna keep making content for you guys. So yeah, hit the subscribe button. Help me get to 2,000 subscribers. Okay, we aiming for 2K. We almost there. If you are subscribed, thank you. And for all of you, make sure that you thumbs up this video. All right, you guys, let's just go ahead and get
Baby, I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million